For those who are looking to buy a property in Medellin and their main priority is having a balcony, this property has more balconies than it does have bedrooms. Before we jump into the property tour, when you're actively looking to buy a property in Medellin and you're ready to buy within 30 days and your budget is above 150,000 US dollars, then we can help you move forward and buy properly. Instead of only showing you properties in our direct inventory, we scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS. We call this the Medellin Living Search System. Since there is no traditional MLS here in Colombia, we had to create one. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, fill out the form down below in the description and our team will take it from there. Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at this amazing penthouse in the area of El Tesoro. And stick around towards the end of the video because I'll go over on the map to show you where we are and what's around you. But yes, this property has more balconies than it does have bedrooms. Here's a look of the first balcony that it has, looking towards the pool that the complex has and the view that it has. That view is just spectacular. The property itself has 255 square meters, 4 bedrooms, each with private bathrooms and walk-in closet. Here's the second balcony, very spacious. You'll see that these balconies are very spacious. You could put some furniture on there, possibly barbecues as well. The kitchen and bathrooms were completed just 1 month ago on their remodeling. And you can take a look here, the way that they did this, did a really clean job here. You have enough counter space there for meal prepping, you know, anything that you want to do there in the kitchen. Here in the back, you have the maid's quarter. This could be upgraded a little bit. You could possibly use that as extra kitchen space and pantry area, right? I've seen a lot of people do that, or they kind of turn it into a little office, just depending how you want to utilize the space. As we come back to the living area, very spacious first floor because this is a duplex penthouse in El Tesoro. And here's the third balcony, which is more of like a terrace and has that more space there where you can put more furniture out there, or more or barbecue, or possibly even a jacuzzi. As we go into the first guest bedroom here, so there's 2 bedrooms on the first floor here. Here's a look of the first guest bedroom where it has its own full bathroom as well. And the property also comes with large storage room and 3 parallel parking spaces, 2 extra wide. So if you have the vehicles, right, if you have your own means of transportation, well, you have 3 parking spaces with this property. And we're looking at the next best guest bedroom here that has its own little walk-in closet right here, and the bathroom as well. What you get with this property in terms of the building, you saw that it has a swimming pool. It also comes with a sauna, a turco, and a children's playground area. And then yes, there is 24/7 security in this complex. The stairs here will lead up to the second floor. And, you know, you can do a lot of things with the second floor and actually the entire property itself, right? I actually love the way that, you know, how much space you have over here. This area could be used as a guest bedroom, or you could turn it into an office, or maybe like a studio, yoga studio. Look how many windows you have. You have just amazing green views and just views of the city here as we look just out the window over here. So yeah, you can, you know, try to picture yourself, imagine yourself using that space. What would you use it for? Let me know down below in the comments what you would use that space for. I personally would probably turn it into a studio / game office, as well. As we come here to the fourth balcony right here. So like I mentioned, you know, if having a balcony is your main priority when you buy a property out here and you're looking for a duplex penthouse as well in El Poblado, well, this one might just be for you. And now we're gonna come into the master bedroom. High ceilings over here as well. And just take a look at the space here. You have so much space. Yes, the property does look a little bit older. You probably do some upgrades to the flooring. You don't really need to do much to the bathrooms and the kitchen, possibly some to the closets. The master bedroom here has the master bathroom here has a skylight, so bringing in natural light, and that's something you get with this property. You get a lot of natural light as well. So that's pretty much it for the property walkthrough. I'll let you guys finish here and take a look at the final balcony, which has an amazing view, and then we'll go over to the map to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, here's the property listing for this penthouse. It is on our website. If you guys want to check us out, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you can browse all of our inventory that we have available for sale. And down below in the description, I'll have the details for this specific property as well. Now let's go to Google Maps to show you where we are and what's around you. So we're in the neighborhood of El Tesoro. And for those of you that don't know where El Tesoro is, it is in El Poblado. It's in the upper hills of Poblado. I marked it out here in yellow. It's this giant area just above Provenza and Vizcaya. And this penthouse is located in this red box that I marked out just right here. So you're very walking distance to Provenza if you did want to walk to it. It is a bit of a hill, so walking down would be easier than walking uphill, but you can walk to Provenza and Parquilleras if you wanted to. This area, El Tesoro, is considered Estrato 6, so your utility bills will be a little bit more expensive. And this area is a very desirable neighborhood to live in, both by expats and locals, Colombians. So when you're in El Tesoro, you'll notice that it's more of a residential neighborhood. You'll also have one of the nicer shopping malls that we have in the city nearby, the El Tesoro shopping mall, Centro Comercial El Tesoro, which I marked down here in purple. Yes, it's not in El Tesoro, it's actually in a different neighborhood, but you are 10 minutes by Uber from this shopping mall. Also, you have a lot of main roads nearby that will give you access to different parts of the city. Roads that lead you to Las Palmas if you need to go to the airport or go down to Envigado, or if you need to go up north to downtown. That's pretty much it for the El Tesoro neighborhood. It's an awesome neighborhood. Again, up in the hills, so not very walkable, but it is very residential and it is safe. So that's it for this amazing penthouse with 5 balconies, 4 bedrooms, and 5 bathrooms in El Tesoro. When you're actively looking to buy a property in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, then our team can help you move fast and buy properly. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.